Okay, I think all of you are connected. Uh, okay, then what will be the value of the next cell? So if we consider this position, what will be the value? So it represents that if the knapsack capacity is 2 and I have item 1 and 2, what will be the maximum profit? So what can be the maximum profit here? Forget about this table. I have item 1, weight of the item 1 is 1 and weight of the item 2 is 2. What will be the maximum profit? If I choose item 1, then profit is 1. Instead of choosing 1, if I choose item 2, its weight is 2. So if the capacity of the knapsack is 2, so it will give me profit 6. So instead of choosing 1, if I choose only second item, profit of this item is 6. So what will be the profit? Maximum profit, I have item 1 and 2. So maximum profit can be achieved by selecting item 2 and its profit is 6. So how this value will be calculated by this equation? So here W equals to capacity of the knapsack is, for this cell, capacity of the knapsack is 2. So we are going to fill this position. So if we are going to fill this position, so the cell is 22, C22. This is the cell we want to fill. So I equals to 0 or W equals to 0. This condition is false. So it will not be 0. Now we will go to next position. So what is the weight of the current item? Current item, its weight is 2 and capacity of the knapsack is 2. So 2 is not greater than 2. So second condition is again false. If the second condition is false, then it will go to third condition. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate max of some value. So max of some value. What is the current value of I? I equals to 2. For this cell, this is I and this is W. So current value of I equals to 2 and W equals to 2. So we have to calculate P2 plus C I minus 1. So 2 minus 1 means C1. W minus Wi. So W equals to 2. Wi equals to 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0, comma. The next value is C I minus 1. So 2 minus 1, that is C1 and W equals to 2. Okay. So what is the value of C12? C12 means this value. C12 is 1. So this value is 1. And what is the value of this? So P2 equals to 6 plus C10. What is C10? C10. This value is 0. So this value is 0. So 6 plus 0 equals to 6 and this is 1. So among them, which one is maximum? 6. So here you have to put this 6. Okay. Is it clear now? Hello? Is there any doubt?
Sir,
Huh?
sir, if we are choosing, sir, this order of filling up, this means that if we are choosing the second item for capacity 2, that means we are already skipping the first item.
We are skipping the first item.
Okay, sir.
I have two items. If when I am going to fill second row or row, not second row, it's third row, index is 2. So if we are going to fill this row, then we have to consider that we have only two items. among them we can choose both of them, or we may choose one of them, but we have to maximize our profit. So profit maximization can be achieved by selecting either item 1 or item 2 or both of these items. But as the capacity of the knapsack is, as the capacity at this moment, capacity of the knapsack is 2, so I can't choose both of these items. Okay, because weight of the first item is 1 and weight of the second item is 2. Now let us try. So if I consider, if I fill this next position, that means this position I have to fill. If I fill this position, I want to fill this position. So what is the capacity of the knapsack? Now capacity of the knapsack is 3. If the capacity of the knapsack is 3, then I can choose both item 1 and item 2. Clear or not? If the capacity of the knapsack is 3, I can choose both of this item 1 as well as item 2. Okay, that's why here what will be the value? So profit of the first item is 1 and profit of the second item is 6. So here the value will be 7. How this value will be calculated? So I have to apply the same equation. So when I am going to calculate, now we are going to calculate second row, third column. Okay, first condition is again false, second condition is again false, so we will go to third condition. So if we go to third condition, then what we have to calculate? We have to calculate maximum of Pi. So Pi means I equals to 2, this is I and this is W. So Pi equals to 2, so P2 plus C, some cost we have calculated up to I minus 1th item. So I minus 1, so I minus 1 means C1 and Ci minus 1 comma W minus Wi. So W means here, W means 3. So 3 means 3 minus Wi equals to 2. So 3 minus 2 equals to 1. So this is the value, and another value is C I minus 1. So 2 minus 1, this value is 1, comma W equals to 3. So sorry, among these two values, which one is minimum? What is the value of C13? From this one, C13 is this. So this value is 1. And what is P2? P2 equals to 6 plus C11. What is C11? C11. This is the C11. Sorry. C11 is this. So this value is 1. So if this value is 1, now this is 1. So 7 and another item is 1. So among them, which one is maximum? Maximum is this. If this is maximum, so the value of this one will be 7. Okay. Now if the capacity of the knapsack is 4, if the capacity of the knapsack is 4, both of these items will be chosen. So it will be 7 again. If capacity of the knapsack is 5, it will be 7 again. It will be 7, 7, and 7. Now, if I want to fill next row, so I want to fill next row. So which value I want to calculate? This one. So C, what is the value? C31. This value is C31. So I equals to this and W equals to this. So if the capacity of the knapsack is 1 and I have 3 items, 1, 2, and 3, what should be the maximum profit? I can't choose item 2 because its capacity exceeds sorry, its weight exceeds the capacity of the knapsack. I can't choose item 3, its weight is more than the capacity of the knapsack. Okay, so if I want to fill this value, so if you apply the same equation, you will get that this value is 1. This value is 1. Okay, now if I want to fill this position, if the capacity of the knapsack is 2 and I have items 1, 2 and 3, then what will be the value? So this value, if you apply this equation, then this value will be 6 again. Okay, if the capacity of the knapsack is 3, if we calculate this value, what will be the value if we calculate it? So here this equation C 3 this value, so this value remains 7. Should I calculate it? If you say to repeat or calculate this item, then I can calculate. Better if I calculate it, the next item will be 7 again. Let us calculate this one. If the capacity of the knapsack is 5, so what we are going to calculate? C 3 5. If I want to calculate C 3 5, then if I want to calculate C 3 5, just a minute, I will receive one call. Aditya, I will call you after 10 minutes. Okay, I'm taking one class, so after this one I will start this. Okay, so if I want to calculate this value, then C35, so we have to calculate maximum of P5, maximum of P5 plus C I minus 1, so 3 minus 1, that means C2. Then what is the next value? W minus Wi. So at this moment W equals to 5. So if W equals to 5, so 5 minus Wi, the weight of the current item W3 equals to 5 again. So this is the first value, and second value is C I minus 1, that is 2 comma W. W means 5. So among them, which one is maximum? That will be the value. So what will be the maximum value? So P5 equals to what? Sorry, this is Pi, P3. So P3. So what is the value of this? P3 equals to 18 plus C20. So here we have calculated C20. This value is 0. So this value is 0, comma C25. So C25 means C225. 5 is 25 position. This value is 7. So this value is 7. So among them, which one is maximum? 18. So here we have to fill this position by 18. Okay. So let us try to understand what this table represents. So if the capacity at one cell at any position, if we consider this position, so if the capacity of the knapsack is 5 and I have items 1, 2 and 3, I will be able to get maximum profit 18. How it can be achieved? How this 18 will be achieved? If we want to achieve 18, then I have to choose only item 3. I will not choose item 1 and 2. Okay. Similarly, if the capacity of the knapsack is 6, what will be the value? This value, if you apply this equation, then this value will be 19. The reason why this value is 19, the value is 19 because if the capacity is 6, we can choose item 3, this item and this item. Item 1 and item 3. So item 3, its weight is 5. Item 1, its weight is 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So if the capacity of the knapsack is 6, then that will be the maximum profit. So maximum profit will be 18 plus 1, 19. Similarly, if the capacity of the knapsack, is 7, so up to this, if the capacity of the knapsack is 7, what will be the value of this one? The value of this one will be, which items should I choose? I have to choose item 3 and item 2. Okay, so capacity of the knapsack is 7. If I choose item 2 and item 3, then we will get maximum profit. So profit will be 18 plus 6. So 18 plus 6, that means 24. You can write the equation and you can try to fill this value. You will get this one. Now, if I want to calculate this, if the capacity of the knapsack is 8, what will be the value here? If the capacity of the knapsack is 8, then what should be the value? I will choose all the items, item 1, 2 and 3. So total weight is 8. So I will get maximum profit equals to 18 plus 6, 24 plus 1. So I will get 25 as maximum profit. Similarly, if the capacity of the knapsack is 9, all the items are chosen. So it will be 25. It will be 25. Do you understand the problem? How to solve this? Hello? To clarify it, I can fill the next row or both of this row. What do you want? If you understand how to solve this problem, then we may end this class. Otherwise, I can fill the next row. Hello? Can you hear me? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Do you have any problem?
হ্যাঁ স্যার শুনতে পাচ্ছি।
মানে কারো কোনো প্রবলেম হচ্ছে?
No, sir.
Let us try to fill the next. Okay, so if the capacity of the knapsack is 1, so if I want to fill this one, capacity of the knapsack is 1, so which item can I choose? Up to item 4 I have to choose. So this row indicates that up to item 4, item number 4, I have this item. So which item can I choose? I will be able to choose only item 1, so its profit will be 1. If the capacity of the knapsack is 2, then maximum profit can be achieved by choosing item 2, so it's 6. If I want to, I have the capacity, if the capacity of the knapsack is 3, then I can choose both item 1 and 2, so this value will be 7. If the capacity of the knapsack is 4, I can choose both of this item 1 and 2, but I can't choose item 3 or item 4. So here it will remain same. Now if the capacity of the knapsack is 5, which item should I choose? Capacity of the knapsack is 5. Then if the capacity of the knapsack is 5, then what will be the value of this cell? Then it will be 18. I can choose only item 3. If the capacity of the knapsack is 6, then how do you get maximum profit? If I choose W4 or item 4, if I choose item 4, maximum profit is 22. Now if the capacity of the knapsack is 7, then I will be able to choose 22 plus, what will be the value? If capacity of the knapsack is, if the capacity of the knapsack is 7, then which combination I can choose? I can choose W, this one and this one. What will be the value? 6 plus 18 is 24. Alternatively, I can choose this one and this one. What will be the value? This value is 23. So maximum profit can be achieved by up to capacity. This one is 24. So this profit can be achieved by selecting item 2 and item 3. Okay. Now if I consider the next cell, what will be the maximum profit? Just let us calculate next cell. So what is the value? C, row number is 4, column number is 8. I want to calculate C48. What will be the value of this? It will be maximum of profit 4. So profit 4 means P4. P4 means what? P4 is 22. So 22 plus C, I minus 1. So I minus 1 means 3, comma W. W means 8, comma C, I minus 1 is 3, comma, sorry, this one is W8. So C38, and this value is CW minus WI. So C3 W minus WI. So W equals to 8 minus WI. Weight of the current item is 6. So what will be the maximum profit? 22 plus C3, comma 2, comma C38. This value is C38. Now what is the value of C38? C338. This value is 25. So this one is 25 and this one is 22 plus C32. So C32, 2 means this value. So this value is 6. So which one is maximum? 28 is the maximum value. So if the maximum value, this one is 28 and this one is 25. So if the maximum value is 28, this cell should be 28. Okay. In this way, you have to calculate this table. If you calculate this table, you will be able to, what will be the maximum profit if the cost is, so after this one, let us try to fill it. So it's 28. Then if I capacity of this one is 29, this value is 29. It will remain 29. This one is 1. Okay, so this is the last position. So in this way, if you calculate this table, so if the capacity of the knapsack is 10 and these items are given, maximum profit you can achieve is 35. Okay, this is the maximum profit. So how do you get 35? So 28 plus 6 plus 1. So you have to choose item 1, then item 2 and item 5. If you choose this combination, then you will get maximum profit. So in this way, dynamic programming helps you to solve this problem. So this is the optimal solution. This is the optimal solution. Okay, if you have any query, then you can ask. So the algorithm which we are following here is basically this one. Okay. So first we have to initialize this. So all the values of the first row are being initialized by this one. Now in every iteration, the first column is being initialized by 0. Then if the weight of the ith item is less than the capacity of the knapsack, then you will enter here. Okay. If this one is less than the capacity of the knapsack, then you have to find the maximum value. So if VI, so here instead of VI, in our example, we are using PI, profit of ith item. So if the profit of ith item plus this equation, so this is a loop by which we are calculating whether the previous value will be lesser or the current value is lesser. So you have two values. If this value so basically using this, basically this condition is being written here. So if this is one value and this is another value, which one is maximum? That will be assigned to CIW. So which one will be, so the value of CIW will be either this one or this one. Okay, so value of CIW will be either this one or this one. So which one is maximum? That will be assigned to CIW. And if this condition is not true, that means if capacity of the current item there is a mistake. If the capacity of the current item is greater than W, instead of 0, it will be W. If it's greater than W, then the previous value will remain. So CIW will be assigned by CI minus 1 W. So this is the algorithm for dynamic 0-1 knapsack. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. then can I terminate this call? If you do not have any doubt, then we can terminate it. হ্যালো
হ্যালো স্যার স্যার বলছি কুইজটা কটার সময় হবে আজকে?
কুইজটা আমি কোশ্চেনটা এখনো সেট আপ করতে পারিনি, আমি রাত্রের দিকে দিয়ে দেবো, তোমরা কালকে সকালের ভেতরে সাবমিট করে দিও।
ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে
ঠিক আছে
ঠিক আছে স্যার
ঠিক আছে, তাহলে আমি এন্ড করছি এটাকে।
ঠিক আছে স্যার।
Okay.